Hello everyone, dear friends. Hope you are fine, good, and well today. We are again with the UK old coin, not too much old, but approximately more than 20 years old as well. You can see in front of your screens the very cool and very heavy. You can see very heavy looks, very heavy coin in front of your screen. It's £1 old coin, uh, 2005. The date is as well. You can see in front of your screen here. It's 2005, and the outer rim is simple and beaded rim outside. The country is United Kingdom. Value is £1. Year is 2005. Currency is pound. And let's go have a quick review of this coin. Here we go. The observe shows the crowned mature head of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right, her effigy known as the fourth portrait. The Queen wears the Gulls of Great Britain and Ireland diamond tiara. The diamond tiara Queen Elizabeth is wearing. Here, let me zoom so you can see more clearly. Here, you can see Great Britain Island diamond tiara, a wedding gift from Queen Mary, Her Majesty's grandmother in 1947, which she also has on machine and the Scotland portraits. In small letters below the head artist initials. Here you can see here IRB is engraved. Let me zoom more, a little bit more. Here, here. Now it's clear. IRB. The initials IRB, Ian rank broadly. Around the effigy is the monarch legend and the date Elizabeth II. Let me zoom out. DGREGFD 2005, the date I already told. Translate from Latin Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith 2005. So if we did the translation of this line, abbreviation of this line and words are the Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith 2005, and the date 2005. So this is the front side with the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth. The very powerful looks, uh, as always in UK, United Kingdom. So this is the front side of the coin. Now we will go for the second side, back side of the coin. Let's have a look. So here you can see a very cool design. This design is outline border rim design is very cool and different from other designs of the United Kingdom or other pound coins. So if a representation of the Menai Bridge inside a border of railings and stanchions around below the denomination here and value £1. The designer's initials EE for Edwin Ellis are included in the left base of the bridge. So here EE, we will zoom for EE. Here you can see E and E, the initial of designer. Here, here you can see Edwin Ellis, the designer initials, also engraved for her memory. So this is very cool and different design on this side of 1 pound. You can see, and the color and design both are beautiful, and the coin is very heavy and is something also